Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Armand for the new people who are on this channel, and we are back in Calador. It's 1 week before to start the season. Let's go in Calador, let's see how it's looking, because I see they are working on the street and I think will not be ready in 1 week. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video, and leave a comment. What do you think will be ready the street in 1 week? Till when all the tourists coming? Let's start, let's go around. Okay guys, the working is starting from here. How you see is a lot of dust, not too much moving around. All the street till down. I don't know if he's going also all the way to the beach. There's not too much movement for working. Just I see a couple of workers there down. I'll go now on the way to show you. All this street also on that way. They are working on it. I go on the short way to show you. I go where is the restaurant Hollywood, because also there the stairs they are ready, but the street is looking horrible. Let's see, just leave in the comment which date you are coming in the summer. If you're coming now in the beginning, I think it will be a surprise, the street will not be ready, and it's looking like that. Oh, this street is working on it. Let's see. Oh, it's a lot of dust. I don't understand why they don't start working when was finished the season last year, because like this they have time to finish all this, and finally they make a good road to walk, because it was horrible. I see people falling down on that thing what was before. Now they start to move here by the corner. Let's see. Okay guys, this is the way. Here they finish. Still they are working on that way. Finally it's good, because they make also this one, they renovate, because it was looking horrible. At least it's something better changing Calador. Okay, this is the way. Okay, let's go also a little bit to the beach. Also here they are preparing to open. Okay guys, this was the road where they are trying to fix everything in 1 week. How it's looking, they are moving super slowly. I don't know if it will be done in 1 week, but at least the way will be looking nice, better. Now let's go a little bit around to see what is in Calador, how it's looking. It's my first day back. Will be a long season, another 8 months working, and I will try to show you more on the island this year, and trying to post every week. Let's go to Cala to see how it's looking now, with no tourists around. Oh no, that tapas place, they closed it and it's open something new. Casa Brau is the name now. They renovate also. It's looking something new. Let's see what they have here when it's open. It's quite busy. Also some tourists now. I think already some of the hotels they are open. Okay, Hotel Cala Gran Costa del Sur is open. I see clients going in. I think it's a little bit too early, but anyway, most of the hotels, they are closed. Actually, all of them from where I was passing, they are closed. Just this one is open, and I hear people in the pool. Wow, and it's freezing. Okay, for me it's freezing. Okay, we arrived to Cala Gran. Actually, it's the most closer to the center of Calador. Let's see how it's looking. Oh, already they put the umbrellas. They are quite fast. Last year they put the umbrellas super late. Okay, they are just the sticks for the umbrella. Let's see. This year they are moving quite fast. Okay, it's looking like this. The sunbeds, they are cleaning around. I think in 1 week the beach will be ready with the sunbeds ready to be used. Today we are on 24 March and already the season starts for some people. I see people on the beach. It's good because still it's quiet. Let's see how busy it will be this year. Let's try to get some videos also with the sea because it's quite clean today. It's not windy. Look at that water. It's beautiful and clean. Look at that, how beautiful it is. If you come to Mallorca, guys, you need to visit this place, Cala Gran Beach. Okay guys, this was the video for today. I hope you enjoy it, to see Calador in the beginning of the summer. If you like to see more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, activate the bell, like this you know when I'm posting a new video. And of course, don't forget to share with your friends in case they want to come to Calador. They know what they expected. And check my YouTube channel, you have there more videos from the past, and for sure I will come with something new. If you want to see something else, let me know in the comments. Like this I know to do a review for hotels, restaurants and everything what you need. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.